Have you ever thought of starting your own eBay business? Today, we dive into the step-by-step guide to help you get started with your eBay business in the USA. We'll delve into the benefits of embarking on this entrepreneurial journey, from the flexibility of working from anywhere to the potential for lucrative returns. This is more than just an online selling platform. It's a chance to build your own empire. By the end of this video, you will have a clear blueprint of starting your eBay business. So let's get started. Before you start, it's essential to understand the eBay business model. At its core, eBay operates as an online marketplace, connecting buyers and sellers from all over the globe. But what sets it apart is its auction-style listings, which create a dynamic and engaging shopping experience. Sellers list items, new or used, from a myriad of categories, setting a starting bid. Buyers then compete in a timed auction format or opt for the Buy It Now option if available. eBay profits through a transaction fee on every sale, a percentage of the final selling price. The opportunities are vast. Whether you're a small business selling handmade items, an entrepreneur with a knack for finding valuable antiques, or a large retailer expanding your online presence, eBay accommodates all. With over 182 million active users, the potential for revenue and growth is significant. Now that you have a clear understanding of the eBay business model, let's move to the next step. The first step towards starting your eBay business is setting up your eBay account. It's a simple process and we'll walk you through it step by step. Begin by heading over to eBay's homepage. On the upper left corner, you'll find the Register button. Click on that and you're on your way. A registration form will pop up asking for some basic information. Here's a crucial part. When asked to choose between a personal account and a business account, make sure to select Business Account. You might wonder why. Well, a business account offers several advantages over a personal one. It allows you to operate under your company name, provides potential tax advantages, and adds credibility to your business. It also unlocks features like volume selling, which is essential if you plan on becoming a serious seller. To set up your business account, eBay will ask for your legal business name and address. Have this information at hand. Next, you'll be asked to provide your email address and create a password. Remember, your password should be strong and unique to protect your account from potential threats. Then, eBay will ask for a user ID. This ID is how buyers will recognize you, so choose something that reflects your business and is easy to remember. Once you've filled out all the necessary details, click on Register. eBay will send a confirmation email to the address you provided. Click on the link in that email to verify your account. And just like that, you've set up your eBay business account. But don't stop there. Make sure to complete your business profile by adding a logo, writing a brief description of what you sell, and providing payment and shipping information. This gives your business a professional appearance and instills trust in potential buyers. Remember, a well-set-up account is your first impression on eBay. Make it count. Once your account is set up, you are ready to move to the next step. To legitimize your eBay business, it's crucial to form an LLC. Why, you ask? Establishing an LLC or limited liability company shields your personal assets from any potential business liabilities. This means that if your business is sued or incurs debts, your personal possessions such as your home, car, or personal savings are not at risk. Moreover, an LLC can provide you with more credibility in the eyes of your customers and other businesses. It's a sign that you're serious about your business and it's not just a hobby. But how do you form an LLC for your eBay business? Let's break it down step by step. First, you need to choose a unique name for your LLC. This name should not be the same as or too similar to an existing company in your state. It must also end with an LLC designator such as LLC or Limited Liability Company. Next, you need to file the Articles of Organization with your state's Secretary of State office. This document includes important information about your business, such as its name, purpose, and the names of the owners. Here's where our recommendation, Tailor Brands, comes in. They can simplify this process for you. They provide a streamlined service for forming an LLC, making it easier and less time-consuming for you to get your business up and running. After filing the Articles of Organization, you need to create an operating agreement. This is a legal document that outlines the ownership and operating procedures of the LLC. While not all states require this, it's a good practice to have one to avoid future disputes. Finally, you need to obtain an EIN or Employer Identification Number from the IRS. This unique 9-digit number is used to identify your business for tax purposes. But more on that in the next scene. And there you have it. You're now the proud owner of an LLC for your eBay business. And remember, services like Tailor Brands are there to help you through this process. With your LLC setup, let's tackle the next step. The next step in starting your eBay business is obtaining an Employer Identification Number, or EIN. Now you might be wondering, why do I need an EIN? Well, an EIN is your business's social security number. It's a unique 9-digit number assigned by the Internal Revenue Service to businesses for tax purposes. If you're forming an LLC for your eBay business, you'll definitely need an EIN. So, how can you obtain an EIN? It's actually quite simple, and the best part is, it's free. You can apply directly through the IRS website, but be warned, the process can be a bit daunting if you're not familiar with tax jargon. If you're looking for a more straightforward and hassle-free way, I'd recommend using a service like Tailor Brands. They can handle the EIN registration on your behalf, and their team of experts can guide you through the entire process. Here's a basic rundown of how to get an EIN. First, you'll need to ensure your LLC is approved and officially formed. Once that's done, you can apply for an EIN. If you're doing this yourself, you'll need to complete the IRS's SS-4 form. This form will ask for information about your business, such as its name, address, and details about its structure and operations. After you've filled out the form, you can submit it online or mail it to the IRS. If you apply online, you'll receive your EIN immediately. If you mail it in, it might take up to 4 weeks. Remember, the IRS doesn't charge any fees to apply for an EIN, so beware of services that try to charge you for this. If you're using a service like Tailor Brands, they'll take care of all this for you. You'll just need to provide them with the necessary information about your business, and they'll handle the rest. With your EIN in place, you are ready to start selling on eBay. Having an EIN not only helps with tax compliance, but it also adds credibility to your business. It's a small step in the process, but it can make a big difference in your success. So, don't overlook the importance of obtaining an EIN for your eBay business. Now that the groundwork is done, it's time to list your first item on eBay. Let's get started. First things first, navigate to the Sell button at the top of your eBay homepage. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. Select List an Item. This will start your journey towards your first sale. Next, you'll need to describe what you're selling. Be as descriptive as possible. Include the brand, size, color, condition, and any other distinguishing features. Remember, the more information you provide, the more confident potential buyers will feel. Now, onto the all-important photos. Quality matters here, folks. Clear, well-lit photos from multiple angles will make your item stand out. Aim for at least 4 photos, but the more the merrier. Next up, pricing. Do your research. See what similar items are selling for and price accordingly. Be competitive, but don't undersell yourself. After all, you're in this to make a profit. Then, select the appropriate category for your item. This will help potential buyers find your listing more easily. Finally, decide on shipping details. Will you offer free shipping, or will the buyer pay? Remember, offering free shipping can be an attractive incentive for many buyers. Once you've filled everything out, click List Item. And voila! You've just listed your first item on eBay. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you list, the easier it becomes. And don't forget to review your listing before posting it. A second look never hurt anyone. Congratulations! You've listed your first item on eBay. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide to starting your eBay business in the USA. We've walked you through the whole process, from understanding the eBay business model, setting up your eBay account, to forming an LLC for your eBay business with Tailor Brands Company. We've also discussed obtaining an EIN, which is crucial for your business operations, and showed you how to list your first item on eBay. Starting a business might seem daunting, but remember, every successful business was once an idea that took courage to bring to life. Your eBay venture could be the next big thing, and it all starts with taking that first step. So why wait? Start shaping your future today. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Take that step today. Start your eBay business and unlock a world of opportunities. Good luck!